subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Mabenzo TV. Keep at your premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Marumo Kalan 0. Kelchairs, Buffett. I'm joined by the best analyst. Agnata Huruchori Matthew Booth, your man. Kichori Dima.
Ngiyabonga siwe Kamalamba Bafethu ayana Mgidlana well known as uKoke Bafethu. Bafethu mesibheke iMamelodi Sundowns idlala neMarumo Gallants. Mara siwe before siya phambili. There's something man. I want ukuthi ngidlulisele uSquish.
Jersey number 38.
I want to ask him a question first. How do you feel Squish udlala ne role model yakho?
Ubani role model?
The great Shikapala.
Oh.
He said it himself in an interview wathi makafika ku Golden Arrows mikadlala as a winger. And then bamthatha bamconverta into number 10. Aconverta coach Manqoba. And then wathi makangiconvert coach Manqoba ngizodlala as number 10. He took it upon himself to say who's the best number 10 I can look up to and understand the number 10 position. Wabona uShikapala. So now I'm asking myself, how does it feel playing normal yakho noShikapala? There's a 1-2 abayidlalile. And maningi abashayila ama 1-2. Umuzwe kazini. Yangithola umuzwe kazini the chemistry. So I wish one thing angasitshela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani udlala normal yakhe, because that thing I think was a special moment for me. Mina if nomuntu engibukela kuye bese ngihlale naye phansi ngikhulume naye ibhola, that's something else. So asingene egaming. Masingene egaming Sithibo ne. The game was interesting Sithibo. And there's another thing Sithibo. Marumo Gallants was one of the teams it was hard for Mamelodi Sundowns to see shy. Yes, Miss Bashaya, 2-1, 1-0, whatever score, but it was always tight margins. But this time around it has changed. And we have to look at what has changed. A lot has changed in terms of player personality. They've lost Msendane. They've lost Washington Arubi. They've lost the other boy Uzindonga. They've lost Utliford. So a core it's lost. They've lost a lot of players. At least it's long. They even lost Uchabatani. They lost Uchebatani. They lost Untapo. You know, Untapo was very important in terms of being that. It's either they were cheating high, Bamdalsi number 6 or Bamdalsi centre back. Because Untapo is very good. He's versatile. He's a versatile player. Wherever allow shot corner, as long as it's a defensive position, he was there. So now, that's why namhlanje mekalungu because akunamuntu angadlala naye. There's no Zindonga, there's no Nemtenjela, you know, there's no Msendane. So mekadlala one you know. And then there's a young boy there riding Upegi Mabuza. He's very good, Upegi Mabuza, but he's still young. We are covering around him. But today he was exposed because manje udlala nequality. You are facing equality. We are facing equality. That is experience. But I think the boy is gonna grow. Makasana wa 1632 ngiyaphakamisa Thembisa wena. Smazgahle thina simbiza ngoJomo. Ngopamuzi. Simbiza Pamuzi. Umntwana kaJomo uPamuzi. Simbiza Pamuzi. Ekasi. So egaming masibheka igame yonke. I feel ukuthi there's notes akazithathile ucoach Mikel Cardoso from our previous game. The notes akazithathile our midfield being congested. A lot of games Mamelodi Sundowns Mamelodi Sundowns aba congested in the midfield. So what he did today coach Mikel Cardoso uye wayenzani ukuthi i-midfield ibe free. How do you free a congested midfielder? Wabona ukuthi okay, last game mikadlala ngabo number 8 abayi2. Mikadlala ngomkhulisi, adlala ngoAlende, aholda ngoRayeng, ngoUbas. Bathusi Ubas. So iDiamond mebheke phansi. Ngithola it was a Diamond facing down. But today he became smart. Why destroy that Diamond there and said, you know what? Let me play with one number 8. I'm gonna need one number 8. The reason why I need one number 8, it's because ngifuna kungabi ne congestion kwi middle field. So a lot of people like congesting the middle field mabadala the Sundowns because baya Sundowns ifuna ukudlala phakathi. But now when there's one number 8, it means angeke nina ni 4 ni 5 nima kumuntu oyi1. So it means you have to go outside. Now man phumani ngaphandle, that's where Allende shine. That's why even today he was the man of the match. Because now there's room for Allende to move. He can move as he please. He can go box to box. He can go left. He can go right. Another thing, number 8 by 2. Number 8, they love the ball. Wherever there's the ball, number 8 want to be there. So what they will do, they will come and drop. Whoever will call you move and then care. But number 8 or 1, Ubatus will space to Allende to collect the ball wherever Afunuzalanga call. So that's another thing I corrected. And then another thing I corrected, it's our center back pairing. Remember, Monga Chepega Yonki Mamelodi Sundowns today. Everyone is a ball player. Mamelodi Sundowns, from goalkeeper to a striker. That's something may share previous games because our center back pairing, they were not good. We build up it. So today build up it was top notch because uno koza unokekana you guarantee ukuthi ipass yakho is quality. Whenever ukoza pass amabola phakathi, you know ukuthi ibhola lizofika emuntwini. Whenever ukekana pass ibhola phakathi, you know ukuthi lizofika emuntwini. So there was fluidity. And then you take it further. Waletha uRiding Mailula. Cassius Mailula uchita ngayo uthi Mailula ngidlalele is number 10. Mailula makadlala number 10. You can watch all the games akadlalile Mailula. You will never see Mailula amakho umuntu close. You know why? Because he moves around. He understands the angles. Mailula period Mamelodi Sundowns. He is the system. He is Mamelodi Sundowns. He knows where to move. Mamelodi Sundowns likes playing in areas where middle field. So Mailula understands how to move around. So that is why Mailula kunzima ukuthi bammark. That is why Akorama goal because he knows the spaces to move on. And then you go on the side. When you look on the side, on the other side, on the other side, I can't remember very well what Mungnoban was at Lagamtao. No, I can't remember. It's at Lagamtao, the first half. But when you look at the Amasapa Kawayenzi, he brought in Undlov. Magaleta Undlov, natural position, he's a winger. And then Magaleta Undlov as the winger, you know Undlov is quality on the wing, but also is quality on the number 10 role. So Magange Undlov as the winger, one-on-one is very good. It's bringing versatility, something different in Mamelodi Sundowns. Remember, what they call us Mamelodi Sundowns is because we are slow in build up. But when you have Undlov, you have a player reference. Someone when it's congested in the midfield, you can go wide and it's very good number one-on-one and taking on players. That is why you saw Magabambi Pola, he was good in coming inside. And when Alepola Alpida no Tembazwan, Adali wants to know Tembazwan. That was a special moment. I think Sazo Bunugni Gundu.
Thank you, Baba.